easier than defending, but
Yeah,
Our attacks are like really concise, so.
I mean, attacking is a lot easier right now because how are you supposed to deal with getting wiped? It's really hard to deal with that right now.
That's why Mercy's so strong.
Yeah.
Because she's kind of like needed, I think, on defense almost.
Like the main thing is that I don't think anyone has like a plan, like a proper fucking plan to like pretty much secure your way to like actually defend so far.
This spot here is really rough too. Like this initial attack is hard to survive.
Yeah. I mean,
I'm gonna play in this hallway over here, I think. I don't know. This is just fucking bad.
I don't know. I'm hoping the symmetric shields will help deal with like any aggression.
In here too, then.
Bunch up top.
Diva and Reinhardt.
Sniper right. I'm not peeking that. I'm falling back. Oh.
Play behind the
Dead.
shield.
He's dead.
They're set up in this right.
Okay, I don't know where the
Where's
sniper is.
sniper?
I think it's inside the PC room. Somebody coming up
Yeah,
right.
right door. I see it.
Watch out, there's on your right. I think there's someone there.
I see.
Genji's dead.
I'm gonna go in ham.
Barry's dead.
Sniper's in middle, close.
Yep, she's close.
What the fuck?
Sniper dead. Mercy dead. Mercy dead.
Yeah, I was reloading. I'm still.
He also.
Lucio.
Lucio's dead.
Oh, I need help.
Reloading there saved you, Pluppie.
Hmm?
He would have reflected those shots right back.
Oh, they're sniping again.
Yeah, fuck.
Contested.
We need a Winston right now. I have ulti, I'm gonna use my ulti.
I can switch in a second.
Behind. Oh shit, I'm dead.
I'm gonna go use my ult anyways. I'm switching.
Widow's dead, but I'm dead too.
There's a Reinhardt behind us.
Yeah, I'm going right behind him. I'm gonna fuck them straight up the fucking battle.
I've got Telly ready. The fox?
Yeah, res is up.
Oh, okay, you fucked my ult.
I know, I just spawned up. I was dead.
Lucio down.
Let me
I
give
have a
you
bunch of
shields.
people on me. Like 6 people on me.
Sniper's hurt. Top hallway. Top left side.
Alright, good revive. I'm gonna ult.
Diva's inside the small red pack.
I got LBC.
Fucking
Nice,
rigged!
We're down.
Dude, Reinhardt pushed me into LBC.
Genji close. I don't know who's near me.
He's weak. He got me.
Help. The fox.
Got Genji.
I'm
I got loose.
There's a sniper up there.
I'm
You got
ulting
me.
that shit.
They revive.
I got tank.
Contest.
I'm on it. Sniper dead. Diva dead. Mercy.
Get Mercy.
Go. Mercy.
Mercy dead.
Down. Left.
Good.
Left.
Here, guys.
On Kudo.
Got Lucio. Where's Mercy? Where's
Wipe. It's a
Sniper
wipe.
dead?
Yeah.
They're wiped.
Let's get the high ground.
Yep,
Yeah,
I'm getting up there.
I'm with Kudo.
There's
Fuck.
a
Quick is up here.
with a weapon on the bridge.
Again. They're all up here. Oh, they're all coming.
Let's fight him here.
I'm on the sniper. She's falling.
Genji's real hurt.
Knock him down.
They have Widow. Get
Widow
Widow.
dead.
She's dead.
I'm on Genji. Genji's so weak.
Mercy.
Genji's
He's
dead.
dead.
Mercy's
Well,
dead.
fucking play,
Mercy
boys.
dead.
Let's fall back.
There's a Diva above you guys.
Lucio, one hit. Oh shit, I'm on Diva. Diva's on me, teammate.
Lucio on point.
No, they have a widow fucking waiting for me.
D.Va's up top.
I
D.Va's
got,
up
oh
top.
my god, we're fucked.
I've got res.
God damn it.
Res after that bomb goes up.
I killed Reinhardt.
Sniper dead.
Nice
Oh,
raise.
Genji ult.
Killed Mercy. Killed Mercy.
Nice charge.
Genji, watch out.
Got him. Got
Nice
him.
kill.
Genji down.
I sense a pattern developing.
Reinhardt on the other side.
I'm fucking with this. He switched off sniper. They have a tracer. Fucking him too hard.
Tracer on the right.
I'm right behind
D.Va
them.
and Reinhardt
I'm on
pushing
the
us.
Down.
mercy.
She's
I
at
got
the
their
bottom.
Genji.
They're going through the
Genji.
side room.
D.Va's on point. D.Va's on.
Their mercy is so fucking weak.
Reinhardt on point too.
Mercy fucking dead.
Got Lucio and Mercy.
D.Va dead.
LBC's Tracer on point.
D.Va, but it's just not working for him.
Oh no!
Oh,
I
boy.
took it! Oh,
Save our lives.
Wait, let me get the kill.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
They're probably gonna repick some stuff.
They're still running the same.
Tracer still
Okay.
right side.
Watch
They're
the charge,
coming
watch the
right
charge.
back.
Genji, behind us.
I'm pinned. Okay. Hide.
Default, default.
I'm on the point.
I'm on this mercy. I'm just chasing mercy.
They're on me. They're on me.
Tracer got me.
Mercy dead.
She's low.
Behind.
D.Va's
On the
behind.
wall.
I killed Reinhardt. I killed Reinhardt.
D.Va's gonna get me.
Save our mercy. Oh no.
D.Va got us.
Okay, it's okay, I killed their mercy. She's 1 HP. Fuck you, come here.
Ignore her.
Did you
Ignore
get her?
her.
And she's gonna fuck with us otherwise. She got me. She ulted on me though. She's gonna come behind you. Fuck you.
Genji
God
above.
damn.
Above the small health pack.
I got her.
Two up there too. Genji ult.
Oh,
He's
fuck.
weak. Dead. Fly, bitches. I'm fucking this shot. Oh my god.
Got Tracer.
D.Va dead. D.Va dead. Oh, the one.
Tank on top.
I'm on the tracer.
I got Mercy.
I got
Mercy
this.
dead.
I got it again. I took it again.
Watch out, Genji
Guys,
behind you.
I think we got it. We got it.
Nice.
Holy shit, guys.
I took the fucking ult 2 times away from you. I catch it
Yeah.
midair.
That first time, holy shit, you saved my goddamn life.
Oh my fucking god.
Dude, good defense, guys. Wow.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Like we just transformed completely all of a sudden.
I don't know. We had a good game. Not let it get to our heads, but
I
yeah,
just
really
mean like
good
for
job.
that game, we did fucking well.